There we go.
Okay. Is it recording?
Because as long as it says this, I think we're good.
Okay.
Hey.
So guess what happened? I did the whole lesson and I had a blank piece of paper and I filled in all this information to go, so you could correct it as I went, and it stopped recording. So readjust. Here we are. I am going to go through it again, but I've already written all the answers down. So I did my number, name, and date on the top just to keep my papers named. And here we were supposed to write the correct name for each figure and choose from the following terms. And what I did is I found the word, found the picture that went with it, and then as I did it, I checked it off because I didn't want to use the same word more than once. So I'm going to go through. This is a ray. It looks like a sun with a ray of sunshine. This one was obtuse because it's more than the corner of my paper. This is a point. Yep, it's a point. Acute angle, it's less than the L. A straight line, one way, another one. A straight angle, this is 180 degrees. And this is, they're giving you a clue right here. This is a right angle, 90 degrees. How did you do? 2, sketch these figures. Use your ruler to help. You can also use pattern blocks. I don't think anyone has any pattern blocks at home, but I'm just going to show you what I did. A pattern block shape that has exactly 4 right angles. I was like, oh my gosh, that's the square. Right. And I sort of labeled it with that mathematician sign.
They could also, because they're not using pattern blocks, if you put a rectangle, that would be correct. It's just not one of our pattern blocks.
Oh, yeah, you could do that one.
You could do a rectangle. So if you put a rectangle, you're right. There's 4 right angles.
But it's not a pattern block. I'd give you credit. I would give you credit on that one. A pattern block shape that has exactly 3 angles, and then they measure 60. Triangle, and this is 60, 60, 60, an equilateral triangle.
3 angles, 3 sides.
3 angles, 3 sides.
Triangle.
Pattern block shape that has only obtuse angles. And I know we did this, maybe not Mrs. Prifty's, but this is bigger than the L, bigger than the L, bigger, all the way around. And this is a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. 6 sides. And then the last one, a pattern block shape that has 2 acute and 2 obtuse. I tried to do my blue rhombus, and here is obtuse, obtuse, acute, acute.
And a parallelogram would work for that one, right?
Yes. Where's that guy?
Oh, that's a thin one. You got like a minute and a half.
All right. I got to do these last 3. Here we go. Fill in the bubbles besides all the statements that are true. First one, an acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. Yes. An acute angle measures more degrees than a right angle. We said no because it's always less than 90. If you put 2 35 angles together, they form an acute angle. 35 and 35, 30 and 30, 60, 5 and 5 is 10, 60 and 10 is 70. Yes, less than 90. All the angles in a green pattern block triangle are acute. And we said that right up here. Acute, acute, acute. All right, I'm going to turn the page, so you're going to go to the second video.